Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update TikTok on Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the TikTok. Okay, as you can see that there is an option of update. Click on that option and your TikTok will start updating, and it will take few seconds or up to 1 minute depend on your internet speed. So as you can see that it is updating fast on my internet because my internet connection is good. So it will take 20 to 30 seconds on my internet to update. As you can see that it is now updating, so you need to wait for more 5 to 10 seconds. So as you can see that my TikTok is now up to date, and once it is update you will find an option of open in front where you can see an option of cancel now. So let me show you. So you can see that it got completed, and here you can see the option of open. Once you click on open, you can enjoy your TikTok. So this is a process by which you can update TikTok on Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.